Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe. We are not in my kitchen currently. We're actually sitting on my bed because I don't feel like doing anything because I'm 37 weeks pregnant. I'm gonna have a baby in 3 weeks. That's freaking crazy. Anyway, I have to make dinner right now and I don't really feel like it. So I've got a super quick, like easy to throw together dinner that we're gonna do right now. It's literally only 2 ingredients, so let's go to the kitchen right now so we can return to sitting on our butt. All right, like I said, it's super easy, only 2 ingredients. Right here, I've got a 3.5-pound chuck roast and 2 jars of pepperoncinis. And we are just gonna pour the whole jar into the bottom of a instant pressure cooker pan. And yeah, got a little stuck there, but there we go. And jar number 2. And we just pour it, juice and all. All right, now we're gonna open up our chuck roast. And I got this fresh today from a local market. And just put it right on top. And we're not gonna add anything else to this except for a little bit of water. We got 3/4 cup of water. You do like 1/2 cup of water. I just saw in another recipe that they added water, so not totally necessary, but yeah. So we're gonna lock this up and make sure that our vent is closed. And then we are going to set this to pressure cook on medium temperature, high pressure for 1 hour. And now back to sitting on my butt. 1 hour later, and I've actually let this sit a little over an hour, but it's all good. Now we're gonna open up our vent. And once the little red tab by the vent pops down, it's time to open it. And there is our chuck roast. It's looking good. And this was actually a really fatty piece of chuck roast, but that's okay. Yeah, so we're just gonna take it out now and put it on a plate and start shredding our beef. So this piece of beef actually was kind of hard to shred in some spots, like this spot here wasn't shredding super easily, but the pieces over there on the left ended up coming out really tender and delicious. But I did my best and I got as much meat off of this as I could. And then we put it back into the mixture of the water and pepperoncinis and everything. And yeah, it turned out really great. And here's what it looks like when it's mixed back in with all the juices and the peppers. Look at that, that looks so yummy. I can't wait to get that on a piece of bread. All right, I've got a brioche bun here and we're gonna add some mayonnaise. You could use a sourdough roll or a French roll or just like a plain old dinner roll, whatever you like. And then we're going to add our meat. We're gonna get a good sized serving of our meat. That looks so good, oh my goodness. And then we're gonna add a few slices of provolone cheese. I find that provolone tastes the best on this, but you can use whatever kind of cheese you like. And now it is ready to serve. All right, it's time to take a bite and try it out. Turned out really good and tender this time. I actually tried making this last week, but I accidentally did not cook it like long enough, and so the pressure just like caused it to become really chewy. I don't know what I did wrong, but yeah, it tastes super great. Hope you get a chance to try it. If you do, please leave a comment down below and make sure to like, follow, subscribe, and share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in the next video.